Encountering a pop-up message saying this Apple ID is not active while logging into your Apple ID when using an iPhone, iPad, or Mac device. Don't worry, here are 6 proven methods to effectively resolve the issue. Fix 1. Restart your iDevice. Sometimes the "this Apple ID is not active" error may be caused by temporary system, cache, or network issues. Restarting your device is the simplest yet effective first step, as it can clear temporary glitches and refresh the system's verification status. Fix 2. Check iCloud system status. Step 1. Go to Apple's system status page, while Apple.com support system status. Step 2. Look for Apple ID, iCloud, and related services. Step 3. If any are marked yellow or red, wait until they're restored before trying again. Fix 3. Reset your Apple ID password. If your Apple system status is normal but the issue persists, try resetting your Apple ID password to see if that resolves the Apple ID is not active problem. Reset Apple ID password on iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open Settings, your name, password, and security. Step 2. Tap Change Password and enter your current passcode when prompted. Step 3. Create a new password, confirm it, then tap Change or Change Password. Step 4. Sign into your Apple ID with the new password and check if the issue is resolved. Reset Apple ID password on Mac. Step 1. Open System Preferences, Apple ID on your Mac. Step 2. Click on Password and Security, then select Change Password. Step 3. Enter your current password, then set and confirm a new password. Step 4. Click Change, then sign into your Apple ID or Apple account using the new password to check if the issue is resolved. Fix 4. Recover Apple account via Apple iForgot. If you don't have access to a trusted device or phone number, you can also reset your Apple ID password via the iForgot website to resolve the "this Apple ID is not active, cannot verify identity" issue. Step 1. Visit iForgot.apple.com in your browser and enter your Apple ID or Apple account email address. Step 2. Choose a method to reset your password, such as answering security questions, receiving an email, or using two-factor authentication. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and create a new password. Fix 5. Remove Apple ID without a password. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the "this Apple ID is not active" message still prevents you from logging in, you may want to consider removing your Apple ID entirely. iPhone Unlocker, a specialized iOS unlock tool, can help resolve the Apple ID issue. It allows you to remove the Apple account, so you can sign in with a new iCloud account and regain access to all Apple services. Step 1. Launch the iPhone Unlocker on your computer and select the Unlock Apple ID option. Step 2. Connect your iOS device to your computer and click Start to Unlock to begin. Step 3. If Find My is turned off, the program will start unlocking your Apple ID immediately. If Find My iPhone is enabled, go to Settings, General, reset all settings to disable it first. Step 4. Wait a moment, and the program will successfully unlock your Apple ID without any issues. Fix 6. Contact Apple support. Still unable to activate your Apple ID or Apple account after trying the steps above? Reach out to Apple support at getsupport.apple.com for help with your inactive Apple ID issue. Whatever the reason for your Apple ID being marked as inactive, they can assist you with recovery or removal.